Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you how to uninstall the Claude Desktop application on Windows and also how to delete the Claude VM or virtual machine bundle, which is generally between 8 and 13 gigs. It's a lightweight Linux virtual machine that Claude Desktop app downloads and runs sandboxed code execution and file operations for Claude Code and Claude Cowork mode. So first off, let's go ahead and get the app uninstalled. Make sure it's exited out of the taskbar / notification area on your computer. Right click the Claude icon and click exit. And then go to Task Manager and make sure any Claude tasks that are running in Task Manager are ended. Go to the Start menu, click Settings, and then along the left hand side select Apps, then Installed Apps, and then scroll down to find Claude and click the three little buttons on the right and click Uninstall. Might take a few seconds and then Claude will uninstall. Your experience may vary here. On my own uninstalls of Claude, one time it removed the VM bundle automatically and one time it did not. So if you're finished with Claude and no longer need it or just want to completely reset or delete your local data, I'd recommend deleting the VM bundle if it wasn't removed already. So that's worth partly doing because it's around 10 gig of disk space that you could be using for something else. So the exact location of this VM bundle may vary, but generally it's under your username and then AppData Roaming Claude VM_bundles, and then Claude VM.bundle is where you'll generally see these VHDX files. If you don't see them there, a little bit later in this video, I'll show you where to find them. So I just recommend going to the Claude folder and then deleting it. This will delete everything in the local install, including the VM bundles. And there we go, it's all deleted. If you're unsure where your Cowork VM bundle is located, I would recommend downloading a tool like Space Sniffer or Tree File Size and just run that on your C drive to see what is using up the space, and you should be able to locate where your VM bundle is located. I had a situation where it was not in the standard location and Space Sniffer in this case helped me locate it. And in this case, I'll show you the file path this one had, but it was a non-standard path where it was storing the VM bundle. Okay, and here is the VM bundle folder. So at this point I could delete it if I wished. Also, if you still have Claude installed and you don't wish to uninstall Claude, but you just want to delete the VM bundle, you can open up the Claude Desktop app and click the little hamburger menu, go down to Troubleshooting, and then click Delete Cowork VM Bundle and Restart. Now, it will re-download the VM bundle, but it's just one other way to delete the VM bundle, but not uninstall the app. I hope this video helped. If it did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. It really does help. And as always, thanks for watching.